Are you running ads on Facebook but the pixel is not connecting to your ads? Are you also facing this problem? Like, it is my pixel Fanny Ecom shop, but when I create a campaign, here Fanny Ecom shop datasets are not showing. Okay, let's solve it. Click on business settings, then click add accounts. Here you can check if your ads account is linked to your business manager. I have already added it here. If you don't have it added here, click on add and click on add an existing ad account, then select your ad account. Okay, I have already added here. Then click on data sources and dataset and pixels. Now you need to give the pixel access to your ad account. Select your pixel, then click on assign people. Then select your ad account, full control. Then click on assign. Done. Now click on connected assets. Click on connect assets, other business asset. Then select your business manager. Click add. Okay, done. Now we will create a campaign to see if the pixel shows this time. Okay, I just back it. Create a sales campaign. I click on add set, conversion location website. Now my pixel. Look, Fanny Ecom shop is showing. The pixel is showing which has not been shown before. Okay, this is how you can solve these pixel issues of your ad account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.